Turn on the printer. On the printer's touchscreen, tap Gear Settings Network WLAN, Wi-Fi, Setup Wizard. When WLAN Enable appears, tap Yes. The printer will now search for Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the touch. Use the arrows and OK to type. When it says Apply Settings, tap Yes. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. When it shows Connected, you are done with the printer side. Connect the Brother iPrint and Scan app to the printer. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Brother DCP L3551CDW driver download. Enter your printer model to search and hit Enter. From the search results, click on the official Brother support website for that printer model. The website should automatically detect your operating system. If it doesn't, select Windows 10 from the list of operating systems provided. Look for the Downloads section on the page for your printer model. Choose the Printer Driver or Full Driver and Software Package option. Click on Download and agree to the End-User License Agreement, if prompted. Once the download is complete, open the installer, usually a .exe file, from your browser's download location or from the folder where you saved it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. This typically involves agreeing to terms, selecting installation preferences. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the installation process. During installation, you may be prompted to choose a connection type. Make sure your computer is connected the same Wi-Fi. Select wireless or USB as your connection type. The installer will search for available printers. When it detects your Brother DCP L3551CDW printer, select it from the list and continue with the installation process. Your Brother DCP L3551CDW printer should be successfully connected to your Windows.